Wow, that was a quick one. That one went in really fast. That's yeah, Montana post driver. Let's see if we can get a little video of this one. I don't know if you can see that, but there's steam coming off the top of that thing. That thing is really hot. I made a mistake of touching one of them one day. Well, good morning, everybody. I'll take my earplugs out now. So today is Monday, September 11th. And the guys are here pounding posts, and they're making good time today because we've had some rain. The ground's a little bit softer than usual, even down 4 feet, so they can pound them in a little easier. Let's go say hi to the cows. What are you guys waiting on? Huh? Of course, 75 over here. He's a big scaredy cat. Then the bull, he's not afraid of nothing. Old Red, he just kind of hangs out. He's pretty good. Well, I better give him some hay. Let me see if I can find a spot to set you up. Stand by. Hey, now, quit being retarded. Alright, that'll keep them happy for a little bit. Alright, here we go. Alright, I had to take a break. It's only been a second for you guys, but been about 15 minutes or so. I had to make a mad dash for the toilet. That's right. So now we're going to get down. I gotta feed the pigs. I'm trying to get everything done with the animals so I can get to working on the running shelter for the horse. So let's get these pigs fed. I got some feed in these buckets. We'll take that over. I'll try and set you up so you can see what I'm doing over there. And then, I gotta go get hay too. Well, all right, here we go. Stand by. Hey, Red. You hungry? All right, I don't know how this is gonna work. I'm gonna try and set you up here in the ground somewhere. Here we go. Come on, Mama. I know. No, you can't chew on my shoe. Alright, with all the rain we've had, this pig pen's a muddy mess, but it bothers me more than it does them. I actually think they enjoy it, but it still drives me crazy. I gotta get them moved, but gotta prioritize. I gotta get this running shelter done. The horse is coming in about 7 days, so I gotta get that done. So, hi, Mama. She's a good mama. Alright, they got enough water for today. Alright. I know. Look, we got some squash growing over there that the pigs planted. Let me see if I can zoom in here a bit. Growing up the chain link fence. I don't know what kind of squash they are, but they look like they're doing pretty good. Alright, well, let's keep on moving. Got lots to do. Here we go. Okay. So the hay's loaded. Now I gotta make a mad dash over, unload all this, take care of the pulp. What else? I gotta get all my tools and stuff up to the house so I can start working on that running shelter. Alright, here we go. Well, so they're reaching through because I only gave them a half a bale. To a cow, the grass is always greener on the other side. I'm pretty sure that's where that saying came from. And yesterday, I was backing out of the driveway, and you can see that mess. Smashed my bumper. The boy had his truck parked where it's not normally parked, and I seen it back there, but I didn't realize I was as close to it as what I was because I was trying to watch the ditch. Anyway, no sense in getting excited when stuff like that happens. It's gonna happen again. It's just life. No big deal. Alright, let's get this hay unloaded. I'll set you up right there. Alright, I forgot I need to give the goat hay. Let's see if I can zoom in here. You see his green bags hanging empty there. So I'm going to do that real quick. So here we go. Just a little side note. So they bought us a Leatherman. This is a Leatherman Wingman up at work as a gift for appreciation or whatever. I love this thing. I use it constantly. And I don't know how people get away with not having it. Just to have a knife, a set of pliers, a screwdriver sometimes, just, yeah, get yourself a Leatherman. Alright, we'll get this hay net filled up. I'll keep the goat happy for a day or two. Which you can pretty much fit about a half a bale in one of these hay nets. Depending on how tight the bale is. But that's what I found. I pack it pretty tight. That's probably about good. Take my gloves off here. And one piece of binder twine that you pull off a hay bale is perfect length to go around and cinch this up and then tie it off. You just gotta jiggle it a little bit. Wiggle it just a little bit. Alright. And then I just tie it off the best I can. That'll keep them busy. Here we go. Alright, another thing. Klein Tools. They make the best lineman's pliers that are invaluable, hands down. The only company that might rival them, but I've never used them, is Knipex or Kinepex or whatever you want to call it. But any self-respecting electrician, you're going to find them, has a pair of Klein linemen's, and always get the blue handled ones. It's the hardened steel and they last longer. So if you get side cutters, anything like that, make sure they're the blue handled. It's a more harder steel. If you get the red handled ones, the edges won't hold up as well. Alright. Well, I think that's going to do it for this video. As you can see, I got all my tools out of the shed here that I had down here to build that pig shelter. So I'm going to go up and get started on building this run-in shed the best I can for today. And that'll be another video. So God bless each and every one of you. We'll see you on the next one. Here we go.